If you're looking for ideas on how to make money online, you're in the right place. These are some incredibly simple ways to start earning money online from the comfort of your home. Tired of working the 9-to-5? Stay-at-home mum looking for ways to earn extra income? Learn how to earn money online today. This list had everything you need to start making $1,000 plus in extra income each month. 32 legitimate ways to make money online right now. Google AdSense. This is the most popular way to make money with Google. Google AdSense is a program that pays you to run ads on your blog or website. Each time a visitor gets interested in the ads, you earn a commission. The more visitors your website or blog attracts, the more ad interest you will record, and the more money you will make. So, if you have a blog or website that consistently generates a decent amount of traffic, then you should monetize it with Google AdSense and earn cool cash. However, you must bear in mind that AdSense publishers are bound by stringent rules, so you must be disciplined, legit and honest if you must partner with Google through their AdSense program. Share your skills. Any skills you have can offer you a legit way to potentially make money online, as well. Think about it. Do you have fantastic Photoshop skills? How about photography? Are you the queen of flat lays? Maybe you know how to build a killer social media schedule or plan an amazing event, like a party. Perhaps you're a pro when it comes to designing WordPress sites. With a site like Udemy, you can actually teach these skills to others online and earn an income off things you already know. It's easy to get started, and Skillshare offers plenty of resources to help you build your class. Google AdWords. This is the twin of Google AdSense, but it differs slightly in that it is meant for advertisers. While Google AdWords will not fetch you money directly, it can help you attract customers to your business or visitors to your blog, which ultimately means profits for you. One major advantage of Google AdWords is that it presents your advertisements to internet users who are searching Google with keywords related to your advert. So, your chances of achieving your campaign goals are very bright as the ads and audience are well targeted. Sell old items around the house. Believe it or not, you most likely have hundreds if not thousands of dollars laying around your house. Take some time and take inventory of the things you are no longer using around the house. Things that are collecting dust and losing value. Here are a few examples: cameras, gaming systems, clothing, tools, phones, kids' toys. You can make some serious cash by simply selling off the things you no longer need or want in your life. Platforms like eBay, Amazon, and Facebook Marketplace are a great place to start. Take surveys. Did you know you can earn money online taking surveys? Taking online surveys won't make you rich, but they will certainly help you earn some extra income. Instead of vegging out in front of the TV twiddling your thumbs during commercial breaks, why not make money online? Companies want to know your opinion to help them market their products or service more efficiently. Since you are providing them with market research, they are willing to pay you. It's a win-win for both parties. Some of the highest-paying survey companies include Swagbucks Surveys, $5 sign-up bonus, Inbox Dollars, $5 sign-up bonus, My Points, Pinecone Research, American Consumer Opinion. Trade in your class notes for money. Are you a college student or recent graduate? If so, there's a great way for you to earn money online. StuDocu is a site that will buy your lecture notes from you. All you have to do is scan in your notes and you get paid via PayPal a few days later. Pretty cool, right? It's 100% legitimate, by the way. One of my friends did this after her term ended and she made easy money. It won't make you rich, but it's a great way to make money in college. Search engine optimization. Google lists websites on its results pages based on the relevance of the websites to search queries and on the authority of the websites. The position of a particular website or blog in Google's search rankings can be improved. This is what is called search engine optimization, but this requires thorough knowledge of the various factors that Google uses to rank websites and expertise at using these factors to a website's advantage. Many website owners now hire SEO experts to improve their Google rankings. If you have a deep understanding of SEO, especially on Google, you can make money optimizing people's websites. Making money with Amazon Mechanical Turk. Our next way to make money online is a new one I've heard a lot about but hadn't tried it yet: making money through Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Mechanical Turk is a website for jobs that require human intelligence, things AI and computers can't do, like identifying objects in a picture, transcribing and researching details. Companies sign up and request tasks, and most of these take less than 5 minutes. You sign up to the site and get qualified to do different task categories. Requesters usually have an allotted time frame they need tasks done, so you can check the website once a day, get a few tasks for a couple hours a day. Companies pay for the tasks completed on a monthly basis and submit the payments to Amazon. Amazon takes a percentage from what the company pays and passes the rest onto your account. Now, this one isn't going to make you rich. Most of the tasks are really basic and the pay is just above online surveys, so maybe you make $5 an hour or a little more. Still, it's something you can do an hour or two when you aren't doing anything and want to make extra cash. Blogger. Owned by Google, Blogger is a free platform, just like WordPress and Tumblr, for setting up and running blogs. If you have some knowledge, experience, or passion for a topic that you would love to share with others, then you can start a blog on that topic and share your knowledge with others who are willing to learn from you. Once you have built a large readership, your blog will generate huge traffic consistently, and you can monetize your blog with AdSense, affiliate marketing, sales of ad private space, and so on. Sell your services on Fiverr. Fiverr is the best marketplace where buyers meet sellers to perform a certain task for their particular project or for the long term. This is a kind of freelance working where you can list your services starting from $5. Each service is called a gig, technically. Register a free account with Fiverr and place as many gigs as possible you can able to give the best service. If you any kind of skill or you have the talent to perform the task, then you can list them on the Fiverr. There are huge opportunities for various works such as designers, developers, digital marketers, social media managers, content writers, etc. There are more services available such as video making, creating animations, programming, business services, consultancy services and much more. Fiverr is the best online platform for those who want to make extra money from home, especially college students can make the most out of it. Become a proofreader. Proofreading is one of the final steps in the process of content creation. It's the final check to make sure there are as few remaining spelling, grammar, and punctuation errors left as possible. This article that you are reading now had a proofreader work on it before it was published. There are plenty of online proofreading job opportunities and they actually pay really well. If you are serious about learning how to become a proofreader, you should totally consider taking the General Proofreading, Theory and Practice course by Proofread Anywhere. With this course, you'll learn how to proofread and how to market your business to get clients. It will give you all the education, experience, skills, and tools you need to make upwards of $20 to $30 per hour. Google Checkout. This is a payment handling program owned by Google. While it won't fetch you money directly, it can greatly boost your conversions and profits by serving as an easy means to receive payment from your customers or clients online. People love convenience, and they are more likely to buy a product or service if the method of payment is very convenient, and that's what Google Checkout offers. Work as a Pinterest virtual assistant. Do you love browsing on Pinterest and pinning until your thumbs are numb? Have you ever thought about getting paid to be on Pinterest? Yes, it's true, you can earn money online by becoming a Pinterest virtual assistant. Our friends Gina and Kristen teach an incredible course that walks you through everything you need to know about how to earn money online by becoming a Pinterest VA.
The course includes 5 comprehensive video modules.
1. Understanding the Pinterest virtual assistant role. 2. Establishing your Pinterest virtual assistant practice. 3. Finding Pinterest virtual assistant clients. 4. Working with Pinterest virtual assistant clients. 5. Expanding your Pinterest virtual assistant practice. They have had many students start making so much money online that they were able to quit their jobs and work full-time from home. You can learn more about their course here. Google Jobs. This sticks out from the list because it doesn't come with the work-from-home advantage. From time to time, Google announces job openings in its offices in the US and other countries, calling for applications from qualified individuals. If you will love to work with one of the greatest company in the world, if you have what it takes, then apply for a job at Google when the next openings are announced, and you could end up working with one of the world's biggest companies. Search the web. Believe it or not, but simply searching the web is a viable way to make some extra cash from home. There are 2 main methods of getting paid for web searches, and the first means being comfortable giving your information to marketers and foregoing your usual search engine. Several get paid to sites like Swagbucks or MyPoints will reward you for using their site's search engine to search the web by periodically and randomly giving you points for your searches. The second method is to become a web search evaluator. These jobs give you specific search assignments and pay you for doing these web searches and evaluating the results. Make money selling others' junk online. While it may sound strange, it's totally possible to take items that other people don't want and are looking to offload for a low price, and turn around and resell it for a profit, sometimes a big profit. You can learn everything there is to know about buying valuable items for a low cost and flipping them for a profit with the course from Flea Market Flippers. They make a 6-figure income from buying items from flea markets, thrift stores, and online, then selling it on eBay at a profitable price. While this option for making money online obviously isn't an entirely online-only option, although it could be if you just use eBay, it is still a good option if you enjoy wandering around at flea markets or thrift stores anyway. Plus that makes for a good excuse to leave your house once in a while. YouTube is a program that allows internet users to upload videos to the web. Not only does YouTube allow you to share your videos with the world, but it also allows you to make money from them. By simply monetizing your videos with AdSense or by other methods, you will earn some cool cash based on the number of views that your videos attract. Work as a freelancer. A freelancer is a kind of self-employed person who offers services to various businesses and multiple clients at a time. In freelancing, one can find nearly all types of services needed, including designing, developing, marketing, advertising, and technical assistance, etc. This is suitable for people who wish they don't want to work for someone and like to set their own working hours. The recommended freelancing sites to register a free account today were Upwork, Elance Freelancer, Craigslist, 99 Designs, People Per Hour. Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner helps you figure out the words and phrases that people are using in their search engine queries. With this tool, business owners and bloggers can find out which keywords are most likely to attract visitors to their websites and blogs. And by optimizing their websites for these keywords, they will attract targeted visitors who will most likely take any desired action. This tool won't fetch you quick cash, but it can help you generate huge profits in the long term. Sell photos to stock photography sites. If you take great photos, you can make money off of selling them to stock photography websites, such as Adobe, Shutterstock, Bigstock, and more. If your photos have people's faces in them, make sure they sign a model release form so that they consent to being included in the photo. You surrender the copyright in the process, but if you weren't planning on selling them, to begin with, then you don't have to worry about anything. Plus, it can be pretty cool to see an image you took on one of your favorite sites or on an Instagrammer's feed. We've got a full list of stock photography websites you can check out to start selling your photos. Consulting. If you are highly experienced with any of Google's tools listed above, you can make money by teaching others who are willing to learn how to use these tools. For example, if you understand everything about SEO, you can run an e-course or membership program that teaches people how to use and make the most from SEO. Create an online course. This is something we've done ourselves with our new Bloggers Secrets course. An online course is a fantastic way to educate others on a particular topic. It helps if you have a blog to sell it on, but you can start selling an online course strictly through partnering with other people who have loyal followings. Some of our favorite courses are Stupid Simple SEO, Flourish with Facebook Ads, and Six-Figure Blogger. Make sure to join the Savvy Couple community and Blogging with Purpose on Facebook to learn more about our course and ask us anything. Write a book. Another way to make money from Google is to write a book that contains information on how to use and make the most from any of Google's tools and programs that you have used to achieve great results repeatedly. Get paid extra for online surveys. Do you know millions of companies are ready to pay you for doing a small task such as answering simple questions? Sharing your experience while answering them will make your real money from your home. It's possible to earn a few $100s a month. I am not going to say you can make $1,000 and more every month from online surveys, but $100 this month would help you pay your bills. Most of the surveys will pay 1 cent to $5, sometimes more than $10. Some of the highest paying survey companies include Swagbuck Surveys, $5 sign-up bonus, Inbox Dollars, $5 sign-up bonus, My Points, Pinecone Research, American Consumer Opinion. Completing paid surveys is one of the most popular ways to earn extra cash online. There are entire websites devoted to nothing but surveys that you can register with and be paired with surveys that best fit your profile. You will get paid according to the terms listed at the beginning of the survey and will have the chance to add some extra money to your wallet. When taking surveys, it is important to be honest and take them seriously because you can be banned from the site. The researchers determined you did not put any effort into your answers. Freelance writing. The world becomes a better place when people learn new things, and if you are a good writer, you can put your skills to use and help educate the world. If you love to write, consider being a freelance writer. Freelance writers are always needed for blog entries, magazines, websites, and more. Business owners are often willing to pay a good price for a well-written article they can use, and you will get some fast cash as a result. There are several different ways in which you can embark on a freelance writing career. You can register for an article writing website, look through the writing job boards, or contact a publication on your own and pitch your ideas. The sky is the limit to how much you can earn. How to start? A very nice question that I should answer here now, so as to give you an idea to earn extra money from home through paid online surveys. First, you have to find some genuine online paying surveys sites and register a free account using your Gmail ID. The next process is so important because it determines your eligibility every time when a new survey offer comes in. You have to complete your profile surveys that include your personal, professional, academic, occupation, travel, family, passion, etc. That's it, your registration process is over now. Just keep watching your email inbox for the new survey email invitations. Social media management. Today, pretty much any business can benefit from some form of social media presence, whether that's just a Facebook page or a full-on suite of streams including Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram as well. Learning each of these websites involves an investment of time and attention that not every business owner is ready or willing to give. That's where you come in. If you are skilled at using these platforms, become their social media manager. Most of us have spent plenty of time on these platforms, so why not put your knowledge of hashtags and what makes a post popular to work? You should also know to develop a solid social marketing strategy and provide customer service. Sell photos online. Similar to the content writers, there is some huge hidden potential for quality photographers. Since with the rise of the online market, thousands of new websites and blogs were launching every single day. All these websites badly need content to market their product or service, and at the same time, an image speaks more than 1,000 words. Many website owners, bloggers, publishers, and video makers require quality photos to promote their digital content. The greatest part is that you don't need to be a professional photographer and use high-end digital cameras, etc. If you have the skill to take quality photos from your smartphone is enough to make extra money from home. Along with it, a little knowledge of photo editing software such as Adobe Photoshop helps you create a better quality photo. Once done, you can sell on Shutterstock, iStock Photos, Deposit Photos, etc. You can earn a minimum of $1 to $10 per high-definition photo of various sizes, and usually, you will get paid through PayPal. Become an influencer. Even though celebrities get a lot of exposure partnering with big-name brands, that doesn't mean you can't do it too. Some influencers have literally built their businesses off of a social platform like Instagram or even on YouTube. The concept is the same. Brands pay you to showcase their products. That's it. If you're interested, start by reaching out to smaller brands first before approaching the wealthier ones. Sponsorships can be an entry-level introduction in learning how to earn money online, but some online personas snag sponsorships to the tune of a full-time income. Transcription. This is one of the classic online work opportunities and well suited to picking up in your downtime. All you need to do basic transcription is the ability to listen and type what you hear, correctly, at a respectable typing speed. On average, it's best if your typing speed is around 65 WPM and that you can maintain the accuracy of at least 95%, though you'll find that most transcription opportunities urge you to maintain 99% accuracy. Many transcription companies pay per audio hour transcribed, so it's in your best interest to be as quick and accurate as possible to maximize your earnings. You can often make more by having the background to specialize in medical or legal transcription. Become an online tutor. The advancement in the internet has changed the classrooms, and digitalization of education has changed a lot. This method of making extra money from home is suitable for teachers, professors, and those who know to teach others. Many sites have emerged to offer online tutoring services to the students, thus created a new trend in the teaching profession. Register a free account with TutorMe, iTutor, Vedantu, and complete the mock interview to get listed on their classified page. This way of teaching has let students choose their flexible hours to learn, thus making them more creative. A qualified and on-demand online tutor can earn up to 1,000 rupees per hour depending on the subject and expertise. Making money online as a transcriptionist. This next one is kind of a go-to for a lot of people just starting to make money online, and it pays a lot better, transcribing audio and video recordings. You sign up on sites like GoTranscript and Transcribe Me for tasks. These come from all over, video and audio that people need typed out for records or content. I know a lot of podcasters that hire through these sites to have their podcast episodes transcribed for a blog post. You listen through the audio file or watch the video and type out what you hear. That's all it is. It helps to type quickly, but it's something you get better at really fast. The average rate on these is around 60 cents per minute transcribed, which comes out to around $15 to $20 an hour depending on how fast you can work through a recording. These are really easy sites to work with and a great way to make extra cash or start a part-time job online. Start a consulting business. Did you know that consulting can be extremely lucrative? It's quite a simple process really. Someone with a problem comes to you to solve it. And the best part is that they pay prettily for a solution that actually works. Before you get this convoluted idea that every consultant is a top-notch expert in their field, understand that a consultant only has to be more knowledgeable than the client in a specific area. A great benefit of working as a consultant is that you can usually snag a retainer, which means you will be paid for being a resource in case the client has any questions. To really make money as a consultant, you need to niche down and have a clear understanding of who you can help. It will involve some sales calls, but once you get a few clients, word of mouth spreads quickly and you will have quite the business.